All right, sis, welcome back. So we're starting off with the eyes today. I'm taking my CoverGirl Undercover Concealer and just priming my eyelids. The usual. I don't set it with any powder anymore. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I just apply the concealer and then I go right in with eyeshadow. So I'm taking my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette today. I just bought this one, so I'm excited to use it. So I'm going to dip into that lavender shade, and that's pretty much going to be my transition color today. And I'm pretty much just brushing that right above my natural crease because that is what all the pink we're going to be using today is going to blend into. So I'm taking that shade for my crease color, and we're just patting that shade right into the crease. I'm pretty much packing that pink shade on until I get the desired look, and then I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out with the same brush I used to apply my transition color. So for the lids, I'm going in with this shimmery pink shade, and I'm pretty much going to cut out my crease using this shade. I wanted to cut my crease with the concealer, but I felt like this pigment was so pigmented that I could literally cut the crease with the eyeshadow itself. So as you guys can see, I'm literally doing that right now. And this eyeshadow palette, I was actually really shocked with, like, the pigments in it are just perfect. So I pretty much just carve it out and then just blend everything together. And that's pretty much it for this eye look, guys. So we're gonna move on to liner. I'm just creating my classic wing liner, and I believe I was using my e.l.f. liquid liner for this. All right, eyes was pretty simple. We're moving on to the face. I did apply my lashes off camera, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with my Makeup Revolution Mattify Primer. And I'm just focusing that in my T-zone as usual. Next, as you guys know, I like to conceal. This is a step that I will never skip when doing a full face. I'm concealing with my CoverGirl Undercover Concealer and Cappuccino, and this is just going to conceal all of my dark spots. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out with my foundation brush. I think I want to do a favorites on concealers, guys. I have a whole bunch of favorite concealers that I like to do, and this is one of them. Like, this is one of the concealers I like to use on a daily basis. All right, so we're gonna go in with the foundation, which is the Huda Beauty Luminous Matte Foundation. I've been loving this foundation, guys. Just the coverage and the finish and the color as well. Just everything about this foundation I really love. So I'm just using my beauty sponge to just blend it out. I feel like with the sponge, it gives me just a nice, flawless, natural finish. Because this is a very thick foundation, I don't want to use the brush and then it's just too cakey. So I'm gonna go ahead and highlight, and I am mixing concealer today. I took my CoverGirl Undercover Concealer, and I believe I'm mixing it with my NARS concealer just for that highlighted look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out with my sponge. Give this video a thumbs up, guys, if you enjoy these types of videos, just me doing like a full glam makeup. Leave down in the comment section below any suggestions you guys want. I did get a suggestion on this look that I should do like a pinky look, so here it is. If you guys have any other looks that you would like me to create, then just let me know. So I'm going to go ahead and cream contour with my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, and as you guys can see, I use one dot of that. Very pigmented. I say this all the time, every single time I use it, because I'm still in shock. Like, a little goes a long way with that concealer. So I'm just using the butt end and the sides of my beauty blender to blend it out so that it just blends in seamlessly with everything else. I'm gonna go ahead and set, and I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Banana Setting Powder and just setting all of my highlighted areas. Alright, so to bronze, I'm going to use my Essence Bronzing Palette. I'm just taking that deep shade to pretty much set all of my highlighted areas. I did a review using all of Essence, guys, and I'm actually still shocked that we can use some of their products. We can definitely use some of their products. So I'm using that to pretty much contour my face and my nose as well. Alright, for blush, I'm going in with my CoverGirl True Blend blush. I'm just gonna brush that along the apples of my cheeks. So moving back to the eyes, I took my Annabelle retractable eyeliner and just applied that in my waterline. I'm dipping back into that pink shade, and that's pretty much the only shade I'm going to brush along my bottom lash line just to pretty much finish up the whole eye look and just connect everything together. And then I'm going to go in with my Essence mascara and just apply that to my bottom lashes. Alright, for highlighter, I'm taking my Essence highlighter palette. I'm just going to take that golden shade and I'm just going to apply that to the highest points of my face. I actually really like this highlighter, guys. It's not bad at all. I haven't tried the other ones, but this one here I've been loving. So that's pretty much it for the face. We're moving on to the lips, and I'm just pretty much outlining my lips for the lipstick we're going to use today. So I am using the Milani Satin lipstick. I love this. It's so pretty. It's like a lavender nude pink. I don't even know. Like it went perfect with this look, guys. And I did top it off with the Essence lip gloss that I used in the Essence video I did the other day, guys. This one, I believe it just gave me that shimmer to match the eye look. Look at that. It just literally just all came together after that. After that, I was like, yeah, that's it. We're done. So I am going to pretty much set my face with my Maybelline Glass Setting Spray just for that nice glowy finish. And that's pretty much it for this look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.